Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My brothers and sisters, hope you are doing well. Today, verse of the day comes from Surah At-Tahreem, verse number 6. Allah mentions, Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu qu anfusakum wa ahlikum nara. That, O you who believe, protect yourself and your families from a fire. My brothers and sisters, Allah Almighty mention in this ayah, in this verse, that first of all, protect yourself. Before even protect yourself, Allah addresses the believer, my brothers and sisters, to protect themselves from the hellfire. Logically, Allah should have mentioned here the disbeliever, that O the disbeliever, O the one who don't believe in me, protect yourself from the hellfire. But Allah Almighty mentions the believers, those who already believed in Allah Almighty, that you have to protect yourself first. And the scholars have mentioned that what is the reason why Allah addressing the believers here, that protect yourself from the hellfire, because Allah Almighty is saying that just being a Muslim is not enough. Just because you believe in Allah Almighty, just because you are performing your namaz, it's not enough, but at the same time you have to guard yourself, you have to protect yourself from such activities that can throw you into the hellfire. This is number one, ku anfusakum, you have to protect yourself. And the second part of the ayah is that wa ahlikum nara. Allah is saying that you are not going to protect yourself only, but at the same time you have to make sure, you have to safeguard, you have to protect your families, those who are under you, those who are related to you, those who are living with you, those who are connected with you, my brothers and sisters. And you know, as I mentioned, the era we are living in, my brothers and sisters, parents most of the time make sure, yes, their children getting education, their children getting good result in their exams, or you know, we make sure that they are living happy life, they have every single thing in this dunya, we make their dunya best. But what Allah Almighty is teaching us, that you have to make sure that your children are on the right path. As long as you are making their dunya best, their dunya better, at the same time you have to make sure that they are on the right path, they are performing their 5-time namaz, they are improving their character, they are improving their personality, my brothers and sisters. This is what Allah Almighty is trying to teach us, educate us, that don't only think about yourself, that yes, I am performing 5-time namaz, that is enough for me, I don't need to think about anyone else, or I don't need to care about my family, about my children. If they don't want to pray namaz, no problem, what I can do? No problem, you can't force people. But at the same time, it is our responsibility that those people who are connected with us, those people who are under us, those people who are living with us, it is our responsibility, my brothers and sisters, to protect them, to guide them, to advise them, and to show them the path they're supposed to walk, my brothers and sisters. Hence the reason Allah Almighty said, don't only think about yourself, wa ahlikum nara, you have to protect your family as well. And interestingly, here Allah Almighty mentioned the letter ku, which mean to shield or to guard. You know, it takes effort, my brothers and sisters. Sometimes we don't really pay attention towards this matter, but Allah Almighty is trying to educate us that no, it's not all about you. Your family is part of you. If you are concerned about yourself, at the same time you have to concern about your family too. So my brothers and sisters, we make dua that Allah Almighty protect each and every one of us from the hellfire. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.